Have you ever been scared to face a challenge in your life? Something that you really wanted to do, but fear put you off? That happened to me, and I nearly missed out on one of the greatest experiences of my life. In this video, I challenged myself to hike 17 kilometers through the beautiful Alps of Albania. With nothing but some broken shoes and a backpack, I show you that no matter how scary that thing is, you can do it.
If I can do this today, you can do anything that you put your mind to it.
Although you may fall several times, the views are worth it.
This is crazy. Wow, hi there friends. Could we be starting this video in a more beautiful place than right now? My name is Dane Luca. I post travel vlogs every single Tuesday and Friday at the moment. In today's video, we are going to be doing the Theth to Valbonë hike. It is going to be the most challenging thing I've ever done. This is like 17 kilometers. I think it takes between 6 and 8 hours. It will probably take me a bit longer just because I'm filming and I want to get the right shots. If I can do this hike, you guys can do anything. I'm not the most fittest person in the world, and I'm also a bit scared because I am doing this hike alone. It will be the longest hike. I'm literally in the middle of nowhere, like the Albanian Alps. It's been a mission to get here. So before we go anywhere, make sure you hit subscribe because we are in the mountains. We are in the Albanian Alps, somewhere I never thought I'd be. Let me take you back to the beginning of today. I've been in Skoda the last couple of nights, and to do this trek from Valbonë to Theth takes a bit of planning. The first thing I did, I got my hostel to arrange my buses. So I started off today 6:30 a.m, got on my first minibus that took 2 to 3 hours. Then we reached Kamani Lake, which I will tell you, it was the most picturesque, beautiful landscape that I think I've ever seen. And that journey lasted about another 2 hours. And then we got off of that, then I got on a minibus. Now here's where it went wrong. I actually showed the bus driver, this is where my hostel is, that is where it said on booking.com, and he dropped me at the side of the road. Okay, this is how this journey is starting. I followed the maps and I told the bus driver, I think my hostel's here. So he's dropped me at the side of the road, and it turns out that's not where I'm supposed to be. There's nothing around me except beautiful mountains. I luckily had signal, so I called the hotel manager and he kindly came and picked me up after about half an hour. But I was literally at the side of the road. There was cows around, there was horses, and it was just a bit crazy. But now I'm here. I'm currently in Valbonë, and then in the morning I'll get up first thing in the morning and start the hike to Theth. I said I wouldn't swear on this channel, but oh my God, are you kidding me right now? This is literally over the road. My hotel is there. This view is here. What the frig? What the actual frig, man? Getting a bit personal, I actually shed a tiny little tear earlier. I had a coffee and I just looked up and I was like, oh my God. Like, you know when things are so beautiful that you just cry a little bit? That's what I did. I think this is just the best view my eyes have ever witnessed. I'm just astounded. This is only the beginning. Like, tomorrow is gonna be insane with the views. This is crazy. Okay, stupid me, only packed one memory card, so I'm gonna give you a little sort of BTS on my iPhone just to conserve my memory. My memory card is only a 64 gigabyte as well, so hopefully I don't fill that up. But I just wanted to quickly show you, this is the hotel that I'm staying at, and this is the backdrop. Like, is that not just so unreal? I know I keep saying unreal and insane, but genuinely guys, this is one of the best things that I think I've ever done. Good morning. The earth says hello. How are you doing? I am doing really freaking good this morning. I had the best sleep of my life last night and I woke up in nature. The hosts cooked me breakfast. They've dropped me off at the beginning of the Valbonë to Theth hike. Can you hear it in my voice? I feel refreshed. I had a freezing cold shower this morning. Last night, I think I got about 9 hours sleep. There was no one else in my room and I was nice and cozy in my wooden cabin, and life is just freaking beautiful right now. What are we gonna do today? The Valbonë to Theth hike. I think this should take 6.5 hours according to my host. So this is probably gonna be the hardest trek that I've ever done, and I'm on my own. It's currently 8 AM. I'm really excited to be here. Look where we are right now. If I can do this today, you can do anything that you put your mind to it, because I'm a bit of a wimp sometimes, but I like to challenge myself. So I'm challenging you to do whatever you need to do. Let's go. And if you're watching this at home, I really do mean it when I say, if I can do this, you can do anything, because if you go and chat to my pal Alice, she knows that I've been mega unprepared for this, but I really want to do it, but I'm just too scared to do it on my own. So I was like, we're coming back to Albania and we're going to do this hike together. And then I saw pictures and I was like, I've got to do it. She even burnt me yesterday with the comment, "You're an idiot, you're so unprepared." So this is to you, Alice. Thanks for being supportive 99% of the time. Thanks for calling me an idiot the other 1%. On a real, guys, I set up this channel because I was like, I want to show people the world. I want to document my travels. I want to have fun. I want to see the world. But I mostly want to inspire other people to go out and see this beautiful world that we live in. On that note, let's get hiking. Okay, update. I've lost my sunglasses, which is very annoying because I have really sensitive eyes and it's the slightest bit of sunshine and my eyes go really hazy. Luckily I've got this little bucket hat, but I thought my hair was looking cute before, and now I've got to put this hat on it. Okay, so I'm officially 1 hour into this hike. We're starting the incline and I believe it's like 700 to 800 meters up and 1,000 meters down. It's very well marked out, like there's red and white dots on all the trees, which is one thing I was worried about. I have quite a good navigation in my head, but in terms of following maps and signs, I'm absolutely shocking. Okay, so I think one of the craziest things about me doing this hike is that I've never done a hike where you've had to like all my luggage is back in Skoda and I have everything I need for 3 days in my backpack. Shout out to Wandered for me buying their bag. You can sponsor me if you like, joking. But yeah, this bag is so good for trips like this. Okay, this bit's a tiny bit hard, as you can hear from my breathing. But we got it. The sweat is real. It must be like 25 degrees. I can't even talk. I go crazy. Oh my god. Look at this. This is why we are here in Albania, because it's just freaking lush. I kind of feel like we've covered some distance. We're up pretty high right now, like we started all the way down there. I got really out of breath coming up here, but this view is just absolutely magical and insane, I'm gonna say. Like, I'm so happy right now that I'm here right now. So good. Well, this is Jeffin' unreal, guys. If you ever get the chance, no, actually, just make it on your bucket list to come and do the Valbonë to Theth hike, because this is the views that you have. I look a bit crazy right now. I'm 2.5 hours into the hike. I've just seen a sign back there to say 4 hours to Theth. So, I'm feeling good. Let's go. I will say, the incline is actually not too bad considering my shoes have like broken. This video clip was taken like 15 minutes. after the last one. As you can see, we're still pretty high. I'm struggling quite a bit, just in terms of my breathing, but I am walking at quite a good pace. So just another reminder, you are capable, you can do this. Sweat check. Always gonna keep it real with you guys on this channel. All the Insta stuff is great and I love that, but also want to keep it real, like as pretty as this is. I'm sweating like a beast right now.
I wanna go there someday. I know we're going somewhere into the danger zone. It all points right to
Right guys, I think we may have reached the peak because I can feel quite a strong wind right here, and just this, nothing else, just this. I think I'm gonna have lunch here because here looks like a nice little dreamy spot to have lunch.
tonight will be okay. Waking up to another day.
All I'm gonna say is we made it, guys. Lunchtime, lunch with a view. I think this is the prettiest spot I've ever been to in the world. I'm just having some bruschetta crisps right now. That, and I've got some salted almonds because I left my snack run to the last minute and had to go to a little corner shop back in Schroeder. I just feel very not totally dehydrated, but I feel like I need a lot of water. But I've only got like a litre left, so I want to be careful. Okay, so now I'm completely at the top and the views are just insane. That is the little spot down there where I had lunch, and then you can see like that side of the valley. So I believe Theth is down there. So I've pretty much not been chilling, but just like having lunch and just taking pictures and stuff because I just can't get enough of these views. But yeah, I'm gonna start heading down the mountain now and make my way to Theth. I'm also that bitch with the tripod and vlogging. Okay, so I just had a little stop, had a little Fanta. I would say like every 1.5 to 2 hours there are little guest houses that serve like food and drinks, like I'd say like snack food and cold drinks. Got my headphones in, just jamming to Venus by Bananarama. I randomly had this playlist come on the other day and it was playing like old school tunes and I was just like, yes, please. Ooh. This would be really unfortunate if I just fell in right now. Okay, so I will say I haven't really vlogged as much on the way down because it was so slippery. I do like that this part of the hike is not in the sun, like it's all under shade, which oh my god. Okay, slippy. I definitely feel like I actually need to get hiking shoes because my trainers are so messed up. So once you reach the peak, going down from there, it was so slippery. Like I literally slipped 50 times easily, and I'm surprised that I haven't gone down on my butt yet. I reckon we got like an hour and a half left, and I feel okay. Oh my god, my thighs hurt a little bit. I'm getting a little bit tired now, but I think having that break's just made me feel a bit lazier. Okay, so for obvious reasons of me slipping everywhere, I'm gonna put the camera away now and just listen to some tunes and make my way down to Theth. We are into the last 10 minutes of this hike and I'm gonna be real with you guys, I'm in bits. We've just passed the 7-hour mark. 7 hours, like wow. I don't know if you can tell by my demeanor right now, but I am tired. I also stink. I do smell like someone that has been hiking in like 35-degree weather for 7 hours. Just picture that. I also haven't seen anyone in like 2 hours, which is really strange. One last sweat check. I think we're doing okay actually on the sweat check. We are almost there, guys. I can feel it. My energy levels are coming back up because I'm getting excited that we've nearly finished. And I say we because if you're still watching this, you guys have done this too because you've come along with me and you're gonna do something to challenge yourself. Like I've done this. So if there's anything that you've been scared to do, even if it's a little thing, like just go and do it. Because when we challenge ourselves, we just learn about ourselves so much more, and we realize that the world isn't such a scary place and we are totally capable. So, last affirmation of the video, I can do this. There's been a few times today where I felt like I can't do this, and I just remind myself, I can do this. Oh my God, this is lush. I've made it to the river. Where is my hotel? I did it. The current time is 11 minutes past 3. So that means that I've been hiking in total for 8 hours and 11 minutes. That is wrong. 7 hours and 11 minutes. Clearly, I've done so much walking I can't even do basic math. I'm gonna leave this here, guys. I am so happy that I have finished. My hotel is just around the corner. I am going to do some yoga to stretch out. I'm gonna have a shower. I'm gonna have a really cold shower because I stink, and hopefully they do some nice vegan food, or I'm gonna speak to them about the food situation when I get there. This has probably been one of my top 5 travel experiences. If you ever get the opportunity to come to Albania, do their Valbonë to Theth walk. If you have any questions, put them down below. I can try and answer them, because this isn't a simple hike. Like, it takes 2 to 3 days out of your trip, and there's certain things that you need to book, so I can try and explain that down below if you guys have got any questions. There is absolutely no one around here. I'm in the middle of nowhere. I haven't seen someone in 2 hours. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. The message behind this video was, if I can do something, you can do it. Like, I've really challenged myself today. It was probably the toughest thing that I've ever done. Like, I did Snowdon, if you watched that van life video a few months ago. That was just a little bit easier than this, but I think with this, like, my stamina has really been challenged. I feel really tired, like my whole body is aching in places that I didn't know I could ache, so I need to do some stretches. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this here. I'm gonna go chill out for the rest of the day and enjoy Theth. But I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you have. Also, make sure you subscribe down below. Enjoy, like this, subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram. I'm not even making any sense anymore, guys, so I'm gonna leave it here, but I hope you've had a good day and you can do this. You can do this. You can do this.